Potholes. They're every driver's worst nightmare and cause an estimated $3 billion in vehicle damage every year.
Today's my day off, and I was actually going to get an oil change, so instead of getting my car maintenanced and repaired, I ended up getting a flat tire. So, very frustrating.
Potholes also create a safety issue for road workers who have to go out and repair them over and over and over again. Sometimes the same pothole 30 or more times in a season. However, there is a solution to this problem. UPM Cold Mix, known as the good stuff. UPM Cold Mix is a high-performance cold mix that is designed and used to permanently repair potholes, utility cuts, alligatored sections, and other applications that require a quick and permanent repair in asphalt and concrete pavements. UPM Cold Mix is pliable and easy to use and work with. It's also the only product on the market that will allow you to fill a pothole once and be done. No coming back to fill it again. Our custom self-priming formula actually causes the UPM Cold Mix to stick in the pothole and stay. It will even outlast the road around it. Guaranteed. UPM Cold Mix permanent pavement repair material is the premier cold mix used around the world that road workers know and trust. Our competitors' cold mix can be stiff and hard to work with, which means the material cannot be properly installed. So wet conditions and cold weather mean their product isn't going to stay in the repair. Here we see a pothole that's been filled with a competitor's cold mix. After just 4 days of freezing conditions, vehicle traffic, salt, and snowplows, their material has been blown out of the hole. Once again, the pothole is back, causing problems for aggravated motorists. And where does all that material go that was blown out of the pothole? It goes right into your storm ditches, tree lawns, or worse yet, scattered all over the road for the car in front of you to kick up into your windshield.
Oh, not again!
UPM Cold Mix truly is a pothole killer. This pothole is being filled in very wet conditions, and 2 months later, it's still in the hole doing its job.
Yeah, we've been using UPM Cold Mix now for probably several years, and what I'd like to emphasize is that the fact that when you apply this material, it stays in the hole. Once it's down, it's done. It doesn't matter what size hole it is, the stuff will stay in that particular hole. Water, sleet, snow, the stuff stays there. Even though this material it costs a little bit more, in the long run, it'll save you time, labor, the fact of the safety of your men being out on the street. The material is just, I think it's amazing. You have to see it to believe it. It really is a good material to use out on the street.
There's a reason Unique Paving Materials has the brands to which all others try to compare. For more information about this amazing product, please give us a call today or visit our website you see on the screen.